Please welcome Craig Freshley and his ukulele.
He was named American Civic Collaboration Award Winner of the Year.
We're so excited to discuss Craig's third book, Together We Decide, a #1 new release and top 10 bestseller.
His out-of-the-box thinking has rocked the $3.7 trillion local public policy sector. Craig has facilitated over 3,000 high-stakes meetings.
He's the guy you want to have on speed dial for your next fired-up public forum.
This man has been equipping leaders on the front lines of America's communities for over 3 decades. From town and city councils to school boards and their staff, this man is a genius when it comes to making good group decisions when the stakes and emotions are high.
Craig's workshops are always interactive. They always get us laughing at ourselves, and he always sends us away with practical tools to help us do our jobs better.
I believe in the magic of group decisions. No one in this room is smarter than all of us. Oh, somebody questioned that. Somebody thinks they're smarter than all of us. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to stand up. Group decisions done right bring more benefits than you can imagine. We're not here to argue with each other. We're not here to persuade each other or change minds. We are here to understand each other. Each and every person that holds a strong political view holds that view for a reason. And it's when we fail to understand people's reasons for why they believe the way they believe, that's when conflict happens. The members of the group, whether you like them or not. Yeah. Okay, that's a good one. I'm going to take some notes here.
Am I going to get in trouble for this?
We're all humans. It's not us versus them. It's just us.